Hello friends, welcome to another SQL tutorial. Today we will learn how to use the between clause with the date data, how to get records between given dates. So for this tutorial, we are going to use the between clause in the SQL to get the data. This query will help you in getting the data in a specific date range. To get the data in a specific range, you can use the between clause with the date. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to create a table. Create table employee 1, employee ID, employee name and date. The correct query to create the employee 1 table is create table employee 1. The fields are emp ID, integer type, emp name varchar 60 and date, which is date type. Now the table is created. Select start from employee 1. There is no data, so it is displaying no record. First record, I am inserting the another record. So now I have 3 records. So select start from employee is displaying the records. Now there are two dates, 2008, 12, 23 and 25. So I'm trying to get the records which is between 2008, 12, 23 and 2008, 12, 25. It is now returning 3 records. Now I want to get the I want to get the data which is between 23 and 23. So it is for one date. So here it is returning only one record. I can insert more records, record 4 and date is 24, 12, 13. I can insert another record. Less 23. Now two records are inserted. For 5 records, I want to get the data which is in 2024 to 2025. Then write a query like this. I can write a query like this, 20, 23, 20, 25 and let's say 31. It is going to fetch the data where date is between 2023, 12 to 23 and 2025, 12, 31. Displaying only 2 records. I will change the to star, so it is returning the data as well. So we are getting the data which is between 2024 and 2025. If I make it let's say 201 to 2025, so it is returning all the records. This way you can use the between clause with the date data type to return the records which is between the two specified dates. I will provide you the link in this video description of this tutorial so that you can visit our website and get the SQL queries described in this video. Thanks for watching the video.